I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Airtel Xstream Fiber account ID or the registered mobile number. This avoids failed payments. Once done, open Google Pay and authenticate with your PIN or biometrics so you can act fast. Tap the Pay or Recharge tab. If broadband appears, select it. Otherwise, choose the appropriate biller category. This initial step streamlines the flow and makes sure Google Pay loads the correct biller options without delay. Next, search for Airtel Xstream in Google Pay, type the name exactly to avoid similar billers, and select the matching provider. Enter your account number or the registered mobile and tap Fetch Bill so Google Pay pulls the active amount. This prevents manual entry errors. Verify the customer name and the outstanding amount that appears, because confirming those fields ensures the payment goes to the right account. Make sure the amount and name match your Airtel bill. Finally, choose your payment method, confirm the amount, and tap Pay Now. Authenticate the transaction with your UPI PIN or card OTP. After payment, save a screenshot of the receipt and check the Airtel app or SMS for service credit. This proves the recharge was applied. If the payment fails or the credit doesn't reflect, wait 5 minutes and retry, then contact your bank or Google Pay support with the transaction ID. That transaction ID is crucial for any dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.